Alright, so I'm going to start this recording right now. Here we are. So we are discussing 5.4 back here. I'm going to go back to this previous slide. So I just mentioned this quickly again if you're watching on video here. We're discussing 3 types of solutions that you may have, or no solution actually. Normally, before, we would have one solution when the lines would cross. No solutions when they are parallel. Parallel lines always have the same slope. We will have infinitely many solutions. You can just write IMS for this whenever we have the exact same line. Here we're going to look at a problem. So we established the fact that they have the exact same slope, which means what are they going to look like graphically? They're not going to meet. They're parallel, right. So I would graph these lines. I start at 1, and then what do I do with the slope from there?
You go up 2 and to the right.
Up 2 to the right,
And
down 2 to the left. There's 1. And then my other one is down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down here. And down, and then up 1, 2, over 1. Yeah. And so those lines are parallel, right? They never cross, so you have no solution here. You can either do that or just write no solution. Okay, do you have questions on this? Yes. You don't have to graph it. If I don't tell you to graph it, you can just say that has no solution because the slopes are the same. You can always graph it if you want to. Yeah. You can always check. Yeah. All right. Can I move on? Yes. All right. Here we go. Write that down. Let's see what that's going to be. All right. Okay. So, Audrey? Thank you. So, Amber did this correctly. She made it a little bit harder for her, but she got the y by itself and then divided it. You don't have to do that. You can just take what you have and divide it by what? What would you divide it by? 2. 2. 2, 2, 2. Yeah, you'll get the same thing. So you get negative 2x plus y. I don't know why people are talking when I'm talking. Okay, I have very little that I'm asking you to do. And it looks like when I try the positive reinforcement, it's not working. The negative reinforcement certainly isn't. So I'm asking for your respect. Okay? So, negative 2x plus y equals 3. That's the exact same thing as the top. Yes? So if they're the exact same thing, they're the exact same fill in the blank.
So infinitely solution.
Yeah. Infinitely many solutions. They're the exact same line. Okay? Does that make sense to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Subscribe to Zyte on YouTube.
I'm
Verzite.
right.
Yeah, I'm Verzite.
Wait. So it's infinite.
Dude, Alex is Verzite. Did you know that? Yeah.
Miss what?
Alright, so people are obviously not going to be talking while I'm recording because that's rude.
No.
So, what would you do for number 2? How would you start? Yes.
You would divide the second problem by 2.
You would divide everything in the second equation by 2. 2, 2, 2. So here we get x plus y equals 2, right? And then we either want them to both have y equals or have x and y's on one side, right?
Yeah.
So let's just make this y equals. How will I do that? Y equals negative x plus 2. I want this to be, and y equals mx plus b4. So obviously y equals, but mx plus b4. What do you notice about 2 and 3?
They have the same slope.
They're the same.
Sorry, nobody said anything. What? Oh, yes.
I'll do the same again if you subtract x and you get it.
x plus y equal to 2. If you subtract x, y is equal to negative x plus
So what in that is the same? Yes.
If you like add x to both sides, then the equation becomes the same.
But it's not the exact same equation though. They have the same. Yes. Yes.
Slope.
Oh, thanks. Man, I was afraid no one was going to say that. So they have the same slope, so they are parallel.
2. Thank you. I'm birth
Okay.
That's no solution.
Oh yeah, you're right. No solution. Right. Okay. So you can solve by any method here. Can you divide either equation by something? I'm sorry. Marissa, do you have your hand up? Can you divide either equation by a constant or a number?
Daniel,
Can you divide either the top equation? Can you divide either the top equation or the bottom equation by a certain number?
Yeah, you can divide the bottom by 2.
Well, but then that would be a fraction, right?
Oh, yeah, then no.
No. So we're gonna have to solve this. How do you want to solve it? Substitution or elimination?
Substitution.
Okay, somebody said elimination first, so let's eliminate. What do you want to eliminate? X's or Y's? You want X's? Okay. So you want to change the top equation or the bottom? Top. Okay, so what will we multiply the top equation by? -1. So negative x minus y equals what? -3. X plus 2y equals 4. We have a question. Anybody have questions? All right, so I still hear some talking. Okay, so let me erase this. Then we just add straight down, yeah? So let's do that. Just add straight down. We have -y and 2y just make y equals what? Okay, and then I plug it in, and what do I get for x? 2, yes. So I can plug it into either the top or the bottom. If I plug it in the top, x plus 1 equals 3. I have to subtract 1, x equals 2. So my solution would be what? Yes.
2, 1.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm so glad
Good job, Alex.
somebody said it. Okay, does anybody have any questions so far? No? We've got one more, which means you're probably going to get away with no homework today. Okay. Good job for those of you who survived Survivor right now. Have not been kicked off the island. Okay.
So they're drowning. Survivor.
Audrey. Is that Snapchat?
It is. I'm doing my work.
It is, but I'm doing my work.
Yeah, look. This is my
I'm afraid to say that I did not have that on my list of optional activities.